Hi guys, Audrey here. So most of your work in this class is going to be submitted via the class notebook. So I thought I'd just give a brief tutorial of how that works. We talked about it a little today in class. Let's go look at the class notebook. So let's share the screen. There we go. All right, so this is what Teams looks like. Let's go to the front. So I'm just gonna click on a random class here. We'll pick Cal 1. And then if I click on the general tab here, I should be able to click on class notebook up at the top right here. So I click class notebook. And then once you're in the class notebook, you're gonna have this welcome to the class notebook page. And you're gonna wanna click this little purple arrow that appears in the top left right there. So I clicked the little purple arrow. Now you're gonna see something that looks really similar to this, but a little bit different. You won't have this teacher only section, and you'll only have your name, not the name of all the students in the class. So I'm just gonna pick Americo here. When you click your name, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs down below. And each of those tabs is for something different. So today, for example, you have a survey that's due. So if you click handouts, under handouts, you should see a page called Day 1 Survey. What you're gonna do is submit your Day 1 survey to this. So you have a few options. You can print it out and you can write on the paper, you can write on loose leaf, you can put it in an iPad and respond with the iPen. But then you're going to save it. You can save it either as a picture, just take a picture of it, or you can save it as a PDF, and then you'll click Insert. And when you click Insert, you'll notice that everything is gray here. And that's because my cursor isn't in the correct place. So over here, if I click on top of the line, everything stays gray. But if here, I'm just gonna create a new page so that we can do this easily. If I take my cursor and move it down below the line, now suddenly everything is doable. So if you want to insert a picture, you can click Picture, and you can insert from File, or from Camera, or from Online, but hopefully that's not where your picture is. So you can insert a picture that way, and a picture is fine, or you can insert it as a file. So if you've scanned it and saved it as a PDF, you're going to want to insert the file as a printout. So you'll click Insert File Printout. You'll choose the file you want to put in from your files. You'll open, and then Insert. And the printout will appear inside of the page. So it takes a few seconds sometimes, but once it's shown up, I will also be able to see that. So you don't have to click submit or anything like that. You just post it there. I can see it, you can see it. So this semester, you're gonna have a couple handout surveys. Those will be submitted in the handout section. Every class, you're going to be submitting your class notes. So you'll go in here and you'll type class notes August 20th. Then you'll go and you'll do the same thing. You'll move your cursor down here and you'll submit your class notes. And you're gonna do that for every single class. Those notes are due by 11:48 p.m. For the web work, you have one web work per week, and you're required to post the work that you've done for that web work. So here I might say web work week 1, and then I'll go down here. And again, you just take a picture or you scan the web work notes and you want to insert it either as a file or a picture. And you're going to do that every single week. So if you need a new page so that you can say web work week 2, then you'll click right click here, you'll click new page, you'll title the page web work week 2, and then you'll go down here and voila, you'll insert your web work notes. So the work that you did in order to do the web work, you need to do that in order to receive full credit. In classwork, same thing. So this is going to be the work that you're doing with your group. Notice this section is empty because there are no pages yet. So you'll right click, you'll create a new page, and then you'll insert that work from the group. Now the last thing is the discussion group. So this is the most important. Because it's a little bit different. You're not going to be submitting work here. You're going to be posting things in the discussion group. So that's over here. You're going to post things in the discussion group. Remember to title them like this: practice set 1, 2, 5, whichever number you're doing, then number 1, number 3, so that people can use the search function. You can press Control F, and notice that will search in discussion group, or you can say find that didn't work. You can type find, and then that will allow you to pick where you want to search. So now I'm searching in team 2, but typically you want to search in discussion group. So I have managed to get away from that discussion group accidentally. So you'll search in the discussion group, and that'll allow you to find posts or see if there are any posts based on problems that you are doing and having trouble with. So here you're going to post your initial post and your 2 responses, and each time you posted, you're going to click, you're going to copy the link, and then you're going to go back, you're going to click general again, you're going to go to the class notebook, you're going to wait until the little purple arrow appears, click it, click your name, click discussion group, and then you can create a new page and say, for example, discussion group week August, that's not an A, August 24th. And then we can say down here, original post, and I'll post my link to that. So I press Control-V to post my link. Then I'm also going to have response 1 and response 2. And after I posted my responses, I'll come back here and do the same thing. I'll post the link to, or rather you'll post the link to those responses. So that way I can easily click on that link and see your post and your responses to give you your grade for the discussion group for the week. So that's basically it. That's how the class notebook works, and it allows you to really just submit all of your stuff in the same place pretty easily. Don't hesitate to MIO me or send me a message on Teams if you've got any more questions about this. But hopefully that tutorial was helpful in some way. That's class notebook. Bye guys.